Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me on another ride. Today I'm off to do the Clevedon to Kawakawa Bay ride, east of Auckland. Right now I'm getting on the motorway to head south to the Papakura off-ramp, then head through to Ardmore where the airfield is and on to Clevedon. This is another way to get to Clevedon before branching out to the wider area. I'll start the video again from Clevedon and video the route to Kawakawa Bay. There are a couple of places I'll point out once I'm in the area. I'm just leaving Clevedon after turning right at the roundabout. This ride to Kawakawa Bay is another really popular road to ride. The distance from Clevedon is approximately 16 kilometres. The road is open and flowing in most places, with a tighter section as you get closer to Kawakawa Bay. The road is popular with motorcycle riders that are doing the big loop to Kaiawa and Miranda over on the Firth of Thames. Do keep an eye out for vehicles and SUVs towing boats, as Kawakawa Bay is a favourite place to launch from. From there they can head over to the Coromandel or explore the islands down the east end of the Hauraki Gulf. Coming up on the left is the Clevedon Coast Oysters shop. It is a family-owned business and have been growing and processing oysters since 1986. The oysters are grown in the clean, clear waters of the Hauraki Gulf. They cultivate and harvest from their two farming areas on the Clevedon Coast and Waiheke Island. The organic Pacific oysters are grown for the local domestic market and exported overseas from their MPI certified factory in Clevedon. The oysters are approved for export to Japan, USA, Europe and the rest of the world. A lot of people make a special trip out here just to visit them and buy their delicious oysters. For more information, check them out online. The link is in the description. Coming up soon is the Waitawa Regional Park. It's made up of 3 small peninsulas. The park fronts onto 4 bays and is a recreation park planned and developed with outdoor activities, exercise and fun in mind. There are a number of walking tracks around the park, different lengths depending on your fitness level. It has toilets in a parking area right on the beachfront. Best advice is to check out the Auckland City Council website for further information, which can be found below in the description. This is Kawakawa Bay coming into view now. We go down this tight twisty section before dropping down into the bay, the first bay and then the second bay, which is around the point. That's where the toilets, store, petrol station and boat ramp is. new building coming up on the right is the Kawakawa Bay store and takeaways. There's no flash coffee bar here, and this is the most popular place to get a drink or something to eat. Well, we're just about at the end of this video and the ride. I hope you've enjoyed the ride and the music. Please click the like and the subscribe button.